can't stand the guy in the big fucking truck that's gotta park backwards. It leaves a whole line of people waiting for his dumbass to pull in backwards and put his little dually truck over the lines and both sides and all that kind of. I can't fucking
You
stand it.
picked the wrong time of day to say that to me, bro.
Yeah,
do you drive a pickup truck?
No, I don't drive a pickup truck, but I also know how to drive. Like, you
Yeah,
know,
so
like, and
backing in a truck is significantly easier than backing out a truck, especially in a parking lot. That's why they're doing it. So if you think you're waiting a long time for them to back in, try watching them back out when they're that far away from seeing if cars are coming. I'm a truck driver. My almost every vehicle I've ever had, I'm a full in back in. But just try it.
Yeah.
Backing in
Yeah.
is easier than backing out.
Respectfully, I got shit to do. I don't give a fuck.